Hey guys, welcome back to the vlogging channel. I didn't end my last vlog properly because I didn't shoot that much yesterday. So it's day, I don't know which day it is, but I am shooting something new. Today we are going to the mall and then Six Flags tomorrow. I'll continue the vlog till 1 to 3 days, so I don't know about that. So I'll see you then. So peace. So guys, we are currently in the Audi showroom. We just spotted some Audi cars over there. That's an i8 and that's not an Audi, but that's a BMW. And we are in the Audi showroom right there, and we need to buy a car for this state so that we can travel. There are cool cars over here, and we will show you the cars.
Your eyes the moment you looked at me from a
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlogging channel. It's me Razi. It's day 3 of my vlogging streak, so I'm gonna get changed right now. It's gonna be long vlog today because I'm going to the iftari. There's the small community in America, like we used to do iftaris and everything. Today will be fun, so there's nothing much to shoot today, but I'll try to vlog as much as I can. As I said, the vlog will be lengthy today. So happy Father's Day to the fathers. Hello Papa. Like आप चले गए और पाकिस्तान में क्या कहूँ, we miss you, but it's just 10 days from now, and happy Father's Day to that, and we are good to go. I'll see you in the next shot. And I had just tried some new editing right now. I'll just show you everything today. So I decided to shoot everyday vlogging, like all day long vlog, no cutting, not at all. Like I'll show you the background, the bloopers and everything. So stay with me and be the part of my life. This is Razi and start stuff. Guys, as I said that I'll show you everything that what I say. So as I said earlier that we have iftari. So the dishes have been made, very good, see. So basically what we do, like there's a small community in the area where all the Muslims get together and do iftari and sahri and everything. So to arrange that, everyone have the days allocated to decide that what they made, so today it's our turn to make some delicious food. So we have ready some food right now, and we will be shortly going to the area. You are with me, you go with me today, and we will be having fun today. So I'll see you then. Guys, I need to change right now. As you can see, I'm in complete mess right now. So I'm gonna change in 3, 2, 1, and yo, I just got changed up right now and I'm looking good. So we are good to go. We are going to the party right now. I'm in a party right now and I just got changed up. So yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to the area. We are still at home. So as we know, as I told you earlier, that we are preparing the foods and everything has been done today. So there is a bug over here on me. So we are preparing, dressing has been done, and I will sing you shortly and
See this lazy person.
This is the house to the.
so Shazo, what are we doing over here?
We're not doing anything. We're just hungry. That's what it is.
Have you watched today Pakistan versus India?
I did. It was a great game. I was up the whole night. The whole night. For 8 hours. 8 hours I was up watching the game.
Guys, I ended my shoot into the masjid inside because I don't want to shoot there. So it's just a simple vlog. I thought that it will be longer than usually, but we cannot do anything. It might be a fireworks show right now and we can have fireworks. There is this lighting. So I'll see you in the shot. I want to end my vlog over here, so I'll see you after some time. I am tired right now. This vlog there's bugs in light. This vlog is not that much long, I told you, but I was not able to shoot that much. So I'll try to make this vlog I'll try to make next vlog as much lengthier as I can. So I'll see you then.